The doors to the nation's largest city are open.
The summer is kicking us off, and the fall, we're going to be in full swing. Broadway back 100%. You're going to see travelers, tourists, business travelers coming back.
Mayor de Blasio also says city workers who are vaccinated can return to work this fall without having to wear a mask or social distance. But as New York embraces normalcy, there's growing concerns the highly infectious COVID-19 strain known as the Delta variant will damper the efforts that have lifted New Yorkers out of the dark pandemic. Already, the strain has represented about 10% of new cases in the city over the last month.
We are going to have to find a way where we're going to be able to live with this virus as safely as possible.
Dr. Eric Meyerowitz is an infectious disease specialist with Montefiore Health. He agrees with CDC guidelines. Fully vaccinated people don't need to wear masks indoors. But Dr. Meyerowitz urges wearing a mask when in a crowded room with unfamiliar people or with those who are immunocompromised.
In particular, if you know that you're around people who are quite vulnerable or who are at increased risk of severe disease or who may not be protected. So that can include people who are not vaccinated.
Currently, 4.2 million New Yorkers are fully vaccinated against COVID-19. City health officials say vaccinations offer the strongest protection against Delta. The main concern is people who are unvaccinated.
If you've been waiting to get vaccinated, this is one more reason why you should run, not walk, to get your vaccine.
The city continues to incentivize vaccinations. At this time, there are no plans to cancel upcoming events and gatherings. The mayor says another lockdown is to be determined.
Right now, we're winning the race against the Delta variant. We'll always be ready if we see things start to turn. But Rebecca, I think it's really important to remember, it doesn't turn like on a dime. It takes weeks and weeks. You'll see plenty of evidence if things are becoming challenging and we have to make some adjustments.
I'm Rebecca Solomon, Pix 11 News.